After watching this video you will be able to understand how to get rid of fish smell. Fish is delicious to eat, but its smell lingers throughout the kitchen, even after cooking. Buying fresh ones may avoid foul smelling indoors. However, even the freshest fish can produce a bit of foul smell. None of us will like the smell, and so there are solutions provided to get rid of it. Before having more information about how to get rid of fish smell, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. 12 ways of getting rid of fishy smell. Number 1. Cooking techniques. Some cooks fish in a foil or paper, which helps to minimize the odor problem. Others soak the fresh fish in a mixture, such as dust, cornstarch, salt, and powdered turmeric. Rinse the fish after half an hour before cooking. Number 2. Clean the fish. There is no other easiest way to get rid of fish smell than cleaning it properly. Remove the organs, fins, and other non-consumable parts of the fish. In this way, the fishy smell will be reduced while preparing the dish. Number 3. Soak the fish with milk. Milk contains a substance called trimethylamine oxide, which can fight against fishy odor. It could be the simplest way among the list, as you only need to soak the fish in milk and rinse off right after. Number 4. Use a couple of potatoes. Cut a potato in half and put a pinch of table salt on it. Put the potatoes in the container for up to 2 hours and keep it covered. Wash the container thoroughly later on. Potatoes help to remove the stinky smell. Number 5. Use ginger in cooking fish. Ginger can remove fish toxins while enhancing its taste. It is easy to apply by simply crushing it into smaller pieces and rub all over the fish. Leave it for half an hour before cooking. Number 6. Rub sugar on the fish. Take some amount of sugar and then rub over the fish for up to 5 minutes. Wash it with clean water to entirely remove fishy odor with ease. Do the process before cooking. Number 7. Open the kitchen doors and windows. This way helps to ventilate the kitchen even more. It prevents the fishy smell from going through the other parts of the house. Shut any other inside doors not to spread out a bad smell. Number 8. Rub the chopping wood with baking powder. We often cut fish into pieces using a chopping board, and this leaves a stinky smell on it. You can rub a wet baking powder on the surface of the chopping board or sprinkle salt over it. Number 9. Wipe down kitchen utensils with a mixture of lemon and water. Mix lemon extract with water and store it in a sealed bottle for future uses. Spray a mixture on the utensils and wipe with a clean rag. The fish smell will disappear right after, so ready for the next cooking show. Number 10. Rinse your hands. There are many materials used in the washing of foul-smelling hands. You can cut lemons and get its juice, then soak your hands into it. Other substances are white vinegar or steel soap bars. Rub the latter on your skin for 30 seconds to get rid of fishy smell and even onions and garlic smell. Number 11. Add peanut butter. Grab a peanut butter on the store. Any brand will work. Consider preparing a peanut butter before cooking fishes. Put some to the cooking pan as it can absorb the fish smell, they said. It adds flavor to the dish, which is a good deal for most cooks. Number 12. Marinate the fish. Collect ingredients with strong scents to overpower fishy smell, such as cilantro or curry. This process is applicable for cooking delicious fish dishes, unlike the prior solutions used before and after cooking. How to get rid of fish smell. Final words. To summarize, there are several techniques on how to eliminate fish smell at home. No need to spend extra, seek immediate remedies under the roof. Most of the said solutions are accessible indoors. The methods above depend on the stage of preparation, may it be before, after, or while cooking a fish dish. For more information about how to get rid of fish smell, visit our website yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.